Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Chevy Cruze, guys, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the power seat, guys, on it, for the driver power seat, stay with us and we'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we guys need in return, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and please drop a comment below. Let us know what you like, what you don't, so we can guys improve and make better videos for you. So this is it, guys. Here it's a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should work for the whole generation from 2000. Okay, from 2008, I believe, to all the way to 2016. So you guys, if you're trying to find the fuse for the power seat on your Chevy Cruze, guys, we'll explain where it's located now. So that fuse, guys, is actually next to the steering wheel. If you come here, okay, if you come here, there is a place that there is a fuse box. Okay, right here. Let me turn the light down a little bit so you can see better. And now we remove that cover. Okay, now let me show you where the fuse is located, guys. It's fuse number, okay, I believe it's actually fuse number 13. It's a 25 amp fuse, but this is very unusual fuse, guys. It's this fuse right here for your seat. So I'm going to go ahead, remove that one quick and show you, okay, and show you guys how to test those fuses, because practically, okay, you cannot see if that fuse is good or not. So what I'm going to do now, guys, okay, I'm going to get, okay, a voltmeter. You can check this voltmeter, guys, listed in the description of the video below, guys. It's amazing voltmeter, very good one, and you can find that replacement fuse listed there as well with all the part numbers. Okay, we'll try our best to do that. So I'm going to set the voltmeter to continuity testing, guys, and now if that fuse is good, okay, it should give us zeros here. Okay, and let's see, in our case, this is a good fuse, guys. So that problem, we don't have a problem with our fuse. If the fuse is good, you have a problem somewhere else, and we'll have a video how to diagnose that. So make sure you guys check it out. So you can see definitely a good fuse. If yours is bad, the replacement one will be listed in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. So make sure, guys, you check it out. When you're done, all you have to do, get your replacement one or your old one if it's good, and push it back in, guys. It needs to go all the way in. Next, it's very important not to forget to put your cover on. Why? Because if you spill a drink or something there, you will damage your fuse box, just like that. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Leave your recommendations.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.